Well.
Oh, that's right. Your phone is
Well,
brighter than this flashlight.
Well, why don't you look at that? I mean, see the transformer there? You got a terminal here, and you got a terminal here. Well, there's nothing hooked up to that terminal.
Why?
It looks like these right here should be hooked up to it, like that. And we're just going to have to do that.
Huh?
We have to do that, that's all.
Well, who would have unhooked
Well, somebody getting it out of the attic, knocked it off.
Knocked it off.
Right.
Well, at least we get to watch it because I got it on. It's my camera recording.
Ah.
So I get to see it. That's really
Because
okay.
it just $10 CDs.
Okay, somebody, you go to the doorbell, okay? And I'll tell you when to push it. Okay, push it. Okay, thank you.
Do I need to?
You heard it, did you?
What?
It rang.
I can't hear it. I didn't hear it.
It rang.
Was it just because it was unhooked?
Yes.
That's the whole thing.
You've been suffering.
Oh, my. Oh, you've been suffering, but it doesn't take much. Just got to learn some things.
Well, I'm still never going to look at there.
Put your husband up there.
That looks...
Oh, it's scary. It is not. It's nothing won't even shock you.
Don't put your husband up there.
There's nothing here that'll hurt you. It's not high enough voltage.
There might be some bugs in there.
Oh, I've never seen anything in my whole life, and I've been up in the attic for 40 years. I've never seen anything.
I bet raccoons up there.
Well, if you can tell you there's something up there, you don't go up there.
He sleeps.
We're gonna one day make that a law.
Oh, gosh.
Never go in for that, huh?
A long
That'll be
time.
your bedroom.
Oh, no. My bedroom's around the corner of my house. In a few years, I'll be gone, and I'll be gone in 3 years.
Well,
2
somebody
and a
could
half.
have a bedroom up there.
Drake. Drake would be the only one crazy enough to go up there.
You're crazy enough. And it's too hot up here. You can't have anything up
We're
here.
gonna fix it and make it. Yeah, we're gonna make it livable. It's not.
Thousands of dollars. You might as well just add a new wing on. Yeah.
Just to
Who did you?
whoever stays up there's no paperwork.
Like 2-3 days ago. It doesn't seem so right.
Okay, go push your trusty button again.
The front one?
Yeah. No. Uh-oh. I gotta do it again. All right. Oh, the wire fell off the other one. I think it's like this. Try it again. All right. Oh, do it again. Because I fixed it just now. It wasn't you, it was me.
Yeah, because I was beginning to think I had.
No, it wasn't, no. No, it wasn't that, it was me.
Becca's door open.
Scary.
That would be pretty scary. David's bedroom is open.
Trying to get some of this.
Alarm goes off in 10 seconds. Next thing is the alarm.
Okay, try the back doorbell.
That's right, Des. Get the back door. Was that it?
No,
Okay, that was it, right?
that was me.
I pressed it.
Okay.
You didn't wait for me to say, I heard it.
Well, I couldn't hear you.
Well, the front one works anyway.
Yeah, we don't have anybody come through our backyard.
Good.
That's what truckers are for.
There, I'm
Well, I
done.
heard the back.
You
No, you
heard it?
didn't. It was me.
Oh, that
It
was
was me doing it.
Okay.
All right, well, the front one works anyway.
No, the front one works. That's better than nothing,
That's
huh?
right.
Back door, that's what the glass is for.
I can take my big sign off.
Yeah. Here you go. Oh, here's your battery, your flashlight.
Here. Okay. I can't do mine like that. You got to download that to me.